Today's Bible verse comes from Judges chapter 6, verse 12, King James Version. And the angel of the Lord appeared unto him, and said unto him, The Lord is with thee, thou mighty man of valor. Judges 6:12 describes an angel appearing to Gideon and calling him a mighty man of valor and declaring, The Lord is with you. This is significant because Gideon is secretly and fearfully threshing wheat to hide it from the Midianites, making the angel's powerful greetings seem ironic given Gideon's current humble and fearful state. The greeting serves as a divine commission, assuring Gideon that God will be with him to help him rescue Israel from their oppressors. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1. Divine Encounter. The angel of the Lord appears to Gideon, which is a significant event signifying direct divine intervention. Number 2. Contrast. The angel's greeting, The Lord is with you, O almighty man of valor, stands in stark contrast to Gideon's actions. Gideon is hiding and threshing wheat in a winepress, which is an act of fear and shame, not valor. Number 3. Purpose. The greeting is a commission and assurance. It tells Gideon that God is with him to guide and strengthen him for the task of delivering Israel from the Midianites. Number 4. Symbolism. The angel's words highlight God's perspective of Gideon, not as he is, but as he is capable of becoming through God's power. It also represents God's promise to be with and empower those he chooses to accomplish his will. Amen.